In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method selection and upload proof of payment in Google Forms. This setup is perfect if you're collecting payments manually and need users to submit their payment details along with a screenshot or receipt for verification. To begin, open your Google Form. Head over to Google Forms and select the form you want to edit so you can access the main editor. Once you're inside the form, go to the right side vertical toolbar and click the plus icon. This is the Add Question button and it allows you to insert a new question into your form. When the question card appears, click on the question field and type something like, select your payment method. This will let users choose how they want to send their payment. Next, click on the question type dropdown and set it to multiple choice. This ensures respondents can select one payment option. Now, add your payment options. For example, you can type in Gcash, PayPal, and bank transfer. You can customize these depending on the payment methods you accept. After that, go back to the right side toolbar and click Add Title and Description. This allows you to insert a text section where you can provide instructions. In the description field, type your payment instructions. For example, you can write something like, send your payment to Gcash 091234568789 and upload proof of payment below. This gives clear guidance to your respondents on what to do next. Next, click the plus icon again on the right side toolbar to add another question. This will be used for uploading the payment proof. Type your question as, upload proof of payment. This makes it clear what the respondent needs to submit. Then, change the question type to File Upload. This will allow users to upload images or files as proof, such as screenshots or receipts. Once everything is set up, go to the top right corner and click the Publish button. This makes your form live and ready to be shared with users. Your form now allows respondents to choose a payment method, follow your instructions, and upload proof of payment all in one place.